If you're over 40 or 50 years old, it's essential to understand the importance of taking care of your physical health. This is especially important for men because, at this age, it's very common for issues like muscle loss, joint stiffness, and mobility challenges to appear. However, the good news is that these conditions can be prevented or minimized with proper habits. In today's video, we're going to show you the essential exercises you need to incorporate into your routine to stay in shape, strengthen your muscles, and improve your overall health, even after 40 or 50 years of age. Additionally, these exercises will help you get more toned and build muscle mass in a healthy way, 10 times faster and more easily. So, stay until the end of the video, because the third exercise we'll show in this video is crucial for your health. And at the end, we'll bring a special bonus you won't want to miss. Take the opportunity to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our content. Number 13. Dead bug. If I had to choose a single exercise to safely and effectively strengthen the core, the dead bug would be at the top of the list. It's one of the best exercises for building stability, which is basically the body's ability to maintain balance while moving. Now, why is this so important? After the age of 40, core strength begins to weaken if it's not worked on. This can lead to back pain, poor posture, and even falls. And let's be honest, no one wants to risk falling and getting hurt, right? The dead bug targets exactly what we need: coordination, strength, and control. It teaches the body to maintain balance between opposing movements, arm and opposite leg, which is essential for everyday tasks like carrying grocery bags or playing with your grandchildren. Studies conducted here in the United States show that exercises like the dead bug can significantly reduce lower back pain because they strengthen the deep muscles that support the spine. That's why this exercise is essential for you to do. But remember, later in this video, we'll show an exercise that will help you build muscle and stay in shape even after 40 or 50 years of age. So stay tuned until the end. Number 12. Glute bridge. You know that annoying lower back pain that shows up after sitting for hours? Well, it's often caused by weak glutes. And no, this isn't about the aesthetics of your backside, but about your body's functionality. The glutes are the engines of our body. They help stabilize the pelvis, protect the lower back, and power movements like walking, climbing stairs, or even getting out of bed. But over time, especially with prolonged sitting, they go into lazy mode. The glute bridge is like a reset button for these muscles. It activates and strengthens them, which not only reduces back pain, but also improves posture and balance. And there's more. Strong glutes even help with seemingly simple activities like walking. This exercise also strengthens the hamstrings, the muscles in the back of your thighs, which is great for preventing knee injuries. That's why this exercise is also essential for staying in shape as the years go by. Number 11. Superman. It's no coincidence that this exercise is called Superman. It's also one of the most well-known exercises here in the United States for its ability to help maintain body fitness. It literally makes you feel like a hero by protecting and strengthening your spine. After the age of 40, back pain is one of the most common complaints among men in this age group. But why does this happen? Because we spend so much time sitting, hunched over screens, which weakens the muscles that support the lower back. The Superman is like a cure for this. It strengthens the muscles of the back, glutes, and shoulders, creating a suit of armor to support the spine. This helps prevent pain, improves posture, and increases flexibility. Additionally, as I mentioned, this exercise is essential for strengthening your body and maintaining your muscles. Did you know that many physical therapists recommend the Superman as part of rehabilitation programs for lower back pain because it's safe and effective? So do it at home or at the gym if you're over 40 or 50 years old. It's essential for staying in shape. Number 10. Farmer's Carry. The farmer's carry is one of those exercises that are so simple you might not realize how powerful they are. It involves holding weights like dumbbells and walking, but the magic of this exercise lies in what happens to your body while you're doing it, especially if you're a man over 40. At this age, it's common to start losing grip strength. That doesn't seem like a big deal until the day you can't open a jar of jelly or hold a heavy suitcase without discomfort. A strong grip is one of the signs of functional health, and the farmer's carry is the perfect solution for that. Additionally, this exercise improves posture and core strength. Imagine yourself walking confidently, with your back straight, as if you were on a runway. That's exactly what the farmer's carry does for you. Moreover, some studies conducted in the United States suggest that a strong grip is linked to longevity. So holding those weights isn't just for now, it's for your future. Number 9. Step-ups. If you've ever avoided stairs because your legs felt tired or weak, the step-up could be the exercise to change that. It's simple, stepping onto a bench or step. But the benefits go far beyond what it seems. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, glutes, and calves, which are essential for mobility and balance. After 40, these muscles start to lose mass, a process called sarcopenia. The step-up is an effective way to combat this. Another benefit is that it improves the flexibility of the knee and hip joints, helping you move with greater ease, and there's more. As a unilateral exercise, one leg at a time, it also corrects muscle imbalances. Think of the step-up as training for your independence. After all, no one wants to rely on help to climb stairs or walk confidently. Number 8. Bear crawl. The bear crawl might seem like child's play, but it's one of the most complete exercises out there. It's crucial for maintaining your muscle mass as the years go by, even after 50. It activates the core, shoulders, arms, and legs all at once. After 40, what we need most are exercises that improve overall mobility. The bear crawl does this by training the body to move in a coordinated way, simulating movements we use in real life. Additionally, it's great for physical endurance and increases agility. With the bear crawl, you also improve spinal flexibility, which helps prevent back pain. Before we continue, I ask you to share this video with more people, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and comment, which of these exercises do you already do, and which one will you start doing today? Number 7. Wall sits. If you want to strengthen your legs without putting stress on your joints, the wall sit is a great choice. This isometric exercise, which keeps the muscle in contraction, works the quadriceps, glutes, and core, all at the same time. After 40, many people start experiencing knee or leg joint pain. The wall sit strengthens the muscles around those joints, helping to protect them. Additionally, it increases muscular endurance, which means activities like walking or climbing stairs become much easier. Number 6. Mountain climbers. This exercise is very common in the United States, which is why many Americans practice it almost daily. It's an excellent cardiovascular exercise that also activates the core, arms, and legs. As we age, keeping the heart healthy is one of the best things we can do to increase our longevity. Mountain climbers elevate your heart rate, strengthen your heart, and help burn calories. And there's more. Since they work the core, they also help with posture and balance. It's a complete exercise, ideal for anyone who wants to improve overall health without spending hours working out. Number 5. Standing overhead press. After 40, one of the most common complaints is poor posture, especially with so many of us hunched over cell phones and computers all day. The standing overhead press is a fantastic exercise to fix this. Why is it so good? Because in addition to working the shoulders and arms, it activates the core and the stabilizing muscles in your back. It's like you're training your body to stay upright, even without noticing. Another advantage is that it improves shoulder mobility, which is crucial as we age. Stiff shoulders can make even simple tasks difficult, like reaching for something on the top shelf or putting on a backpack. Since it's performed standing, the overhead press also helps with balance, which is something you can never have enough of at this stage of life. Number 4. Rowing. If you want an exercise that takes care of your back while also strengthening your arms and core, rowing is the answer. And here's an important truth. A strong back is essential for aging well. Rowing is excellent for combating the effects of spending too much time sitting, like the dreaded hunchback. It activates the scapular muscles, rhomboids, and lats, helping keep your shoulders back and your chest open. This not only improves posture, but also reduces the risk of back pain. Additionally, it's a very functional exercise. Think about how many times you pull something in daily life, whether it's a heavy door or a suitcase. Rowing prepares your body for these activities and ensures you can perform them without injuring yourself. It can be done with dumbbells, a barbell, or even a resistance band, making it accessible to everyone. Number 3. Pelvic tilts. Here's an exercise that seems simple, but is incredibly effective. The pelvic tilt is perfect for relieving lower back pain and improving pelvic mobility, something that is often overlooked. After 40, it's common to feel stiffness in the hip and lower back region. This happens because we spend so much time in static positions, like sitting or driving. The pelvic tilt helps lubricate these areas, bringing more flexibility and relief. Additionally, it strengthens the core and improves the connection between the pelvis and spine. This means you'll have more stability when moving, whether walking, running, or even dancing. Yes, because the fun doesn't have to stop just because you're over 40. Number 2. Standing calf raises. When was the last time you thought about your calves? Probably a while ago, right? But here's an important truth. Strong calves are essential for maintaining mobility and blood circulation. Your calves act like a pump that helps blood flow back to the heart, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Doing calf raises keeps these muscles active and improves vascular health. Additionally, strong calves help with stability when walking or climbing stairs. Have you noticed how we tend to trip more easily as we age? This exercise reduces that risk by strengthening the muscles that support your ankles and feet. It's so simple that you can do it while brushing your teeth or waiting for your coffee to brew. Number 1. Cat-cow stretch. If there's one stretch that should be mandatory for everyone over 40, it's the cat-cow. This yoga-inspired movement is excellent for spinal health and relieving accumulated tension. It works like a massage for your back, mobilizing each vertebra and bringing more flexibility to your spine. This is essential because as we age, the spine tends to become stiffer, which can limit movement and cause pain. Additionally, the cat-cow promotes body awareness and deep breathing, helping to reduce stress. After a long and tiring day, there's nothing better than a few minutes of this exercise to relax your body and mind. Before leaving the video, don't forget to like it, share it with more people, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any health-related videos. Thank you very much.